What's up, team? Fullest again, Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the open canal. So today I'm here to talk about MACA ROOT again. Yes, I've got a lot of questions on Instagram, on the comments. I got a lot of questions on how to take MACA ROOT. How can you use MACA ROOT? You guys know I started MACA ROOT I think like 6 months ago that I started taking MACA ROOT. At first I was taking it every single day, and then it get to a point where I gained a bunch of weight. I started I think with 51 kilo, and then it get to a point where I was like 75 kilo, and then I had to stop because I was like, what? I had to stop taking it for a while because I gained a lot of weight. And at that time I was so busy with work, with everything, that I didn't have time to go to the gym, though I was exercising at home. But I was so busy. You come home, you're tired, you have kids, you have family to take care of, so you get so tired. And I was like, you know what, one has to stop taking this. And then I stopped taking it. My weight came down to 65, and that was good. I was still looking good. That was good. And then I thought, you know what, let me start taking it again. But this time I wasn't taking it like 3 times a day. But first, before we go to my details, I'm going to share with you guys how you take MACA ROOT. You take on the container start 3 capsules a day. So the container I have, this is the MACA ROOT that I am using. This is the one. This video is not sponsored, disclaimer. I purchased this myself, and I've been having this now for a really long time. I purchased this. This is 250 tablets that you have in here. This is a lot of tablets compared to those ones you buy 90 or 60 tablets. This is 250. This is a lot. So this description says you take 3 times a day, one after breakfast. So you don't take this before your breakfast. You take it after your breakfast, after your lunch, and then after dinner. So 3 times a day: in the morning, after breakfast, in the afternoon, after lunch, and at night after dinner. So this is the way you take your MACA ROOT. So for those of you guys who always ask me underneath the comment box or send me an Instagram DM like, Ami, how do I take MACA ROOT? This is how you take it. And for those of you guys who always ask me also as well about does MACA ROOT make your butt bigger? Does MACA ROOT make your hips get bigger? Does MACA ROOT make your breast get bigger? Personally, to me, my experience, MACA ROOT does not make your butt get bigger, does not make your hips get bigger, does not make your breast get bigger. It all depends on your body shape. All depends on your body. When you gain weight, where does your weight go? Like, for example, a friend of mine, when she gained weight, the fat goes to her belly. That is where the fat goes, to her belly and to her breast. So when she gained weight, you can see her breast get even more bigger and her stomach get even more bigger. Which for me, I'm the opposite. When I gain weight, the fat goes to my hips, my ass, and my face. My breast remains the same. Like, there's no difference. I can weigh 80 kilo and my chest will still remain like a child that is starting to grow out a breast. That is how for mine is. MACA ROOT, me gaining weight all this while I have not noticed any changes when it comes to my breast. I have not noticed any changes when it comes to my breast get bigger. All I have noticed that because when I gain fat, the part that the fat always goes is my hips, my ass, and my face. So when I gain fat, you can definitely see it on my face immediately, like, hey, Ami is gaining weight. Maybe when I have makeup on, it's a little bit difficult to see because, yeah, you kind of contour, highlight, and everything. You kind of shape your face a little bit. But when I take my makeup off, you guys can see my face is puffy. My face is puffy. So when I gain weight, the fat goes to my hips, my ass, and my face. My breasts, I haven't noticed anything. I haven't noticed. So if your body is not shaped that way, if your body is not shaped to a point that where, if your body is not shaped to that way that when you gain fat, your fat goes to your butt, or to your hips, then the maca root is not going to instantly make your butt or your ass get bigger. No, you can actually take this one to gain weight and then use exercise to shape your body. That is one thing. That is one way a friend of mine is also doing, because she's also using it. She also started this maca root weight gain journey because of she saw my video. She was like, hey, I'm gonna give it a try. So I tell her as well, I'm like, babe, this is not gonna make your butts get bigger. This is not gonna make you have Coca-Cola body. It's not going to work. It's not going to make you have hourglass shape. So just take it. It's going to allow you to gain weight. It's going to increase your appetite. It's going to make you eat more. You get hungry, you eat more. But the only thing I'm going to tell you, when your appetite is increased, make sure you eat healthy food. Make sure you eat healthy food, because if you eat all kind of junk, it's going to be very difficult for you to lose those, to kind of shape. But if you're somebody who's like eating healthy, going to the gym, you can actually, there are a few exercises that you can do to shape your body. What I do, because I don't go to the gym all the time and I exercise at home, I do waist training at home. I do cross sets and waist training. So this is the waist trainer that I picked up from AliExpress a while ago. This waist trainer is really, really nice. It's very, very tight. I have not been using it now for a long time now, because I can't come and kill myself. I can't kill myself because I want to look good. You understand? But I do use that waist trainer a lot because I don't go to the gym. I'm tired. Like right now we are in lockdown. Way even before the lockdown, where your girl is going to work, kids, cooking, cleaning, all that. One do not have time to go to the gym. And all the gyms in my village, they are for, I don't like to call myself, I don't like to say I'm poor. I'm not poor, I'm rich. But the gym in my village, they are for, it's expensive. It's expensive. This is not the season to be just giving money on a gym that if you're not going to the gym every single day or 3 times or 4 times a week. I just want a gym that I can maybe use once a week or twice a week. But the gym in my area, they're like 60 something euro a month membership. I'm like, chai. So I don't have gym. I don't go to the gym. But maybe when the lockdown is over, I'm going to take the gym to the next city, because I have a couple of friends who are there, and by that way we can go to the gym together with my friends and exercise. So I'm thinking about that. So, but then before I don't go to the gym, I only exercise at home. I bought this elastic band from AliExpress, which I do to exercise at home just to keep me in shape, and that is also good. But so it's not gonna make your butt get bigger. It's not gonna make your hips get bigger. It's not gonna make your breasts get bigger. It depends on your body shape. I'm saying it again. It all depends on your body shape. If you gain fat, if the fat goes to your hips, then when you take the maca root, it increases your appetite. It gives you more appetite. It makes you eat more. The more you eat, the more you gain fat. So if you take if you gain fat, the fat goes to your hips, then that's where the fat will go. If you're somebody who, when you gain weight, the fat goes to your chest, then that's where the fat will go. That's where you get the most fat. If you're somebody who, when you gain weight, the fat goes to your love handles, then ready for that. If you're somebody when you gain weight, the fat goes to your belly, then be ready for that. But if you want to gain weight and then go to the gym, exercise, try to do certain exercise to shape your body, definitely is good. But maca root is not going, it's not just one magical miracle pill that when you take it, you have Coca-Cola body. You get hourglass shape. It doesn't work that way. I wish it was. For me, the only thing I wish when I'm taking it, the fat goes to my breast, but the fat doesn't even go halfway close to my breast. So you see, everybody is different. That's the reason why I always tell people, I'm just being honest. When people ask me questions on Instagram, I just tell them, no, it doesn't make your butt get bigger. No, it doesn't make your hips get bigger. All it does, it does have other benefits, but when it comes to your body shape, all it does is increase your appetite. Of course, I notice a lot of health benefits taking it maca root when it comes to my monthly cycle, my lady time of the month. I have a lot of pain when I'm taking nothing. But when I'm taking the MACA root, Lord, it feels so good. Like I don't experience that heavy stomach pain. I don't experience that headache. I just feel like every normal day. But because this MACA root is so much, and when I'm taking it, if I take this one for a week, Lord, I'll be eating like nobody's business. Normally, I eat a lot. So you can imagine me taking this for a complete week. I'll just gain the kilo like this. Like, it's crazy. So reasons why I take, when I feel like it's getting too much, I stop. And then I take again. When I feel like it's getting too much, I stop. But now, it's like, even when I stop, if I lose weight, it's just like maybe couple of kilos. I don't go back down to like 51 kilo. No, now I stay at 60, 65, 67, 68. I stay in the 60s. I don't go down because before my weight was like 51 kilo, 52. But now I don't go down. Now I stay in the 60s, and that's what I love. And I haven't been taking it now for a long time. I think more than a month or something. I think no, not more than a month. I don't know when the last time I stopped, but I haven't been taking it now for a while, and my weight hasn't really go down. I'm still in the 60s, 65, which I really, really like. I don't mind, which I feel okay. I really like it, so I'm okay with that. But definitely when the lockdown is over, when everything is opened, I'm going to be taking it every single day because I want to be going to the gym. As you guys can see, this bottle was full. Now I don't even have, the one I have is like hair. It's like hair. I don't know, this container is white, you can't see, but it's like hair. This bottle, this thing was full all the way here, but now you guys can see there is almost next to nothing in here, and I have been taking it slowly because I don't want to be taking it every single day because I know I eat a lot. I eat a lot when I take this one, and it really, really increased my appetite. And I don't want to, like, sometimes when I get too fat, when I gain too much weight, my face looks very, very somehow. I don't like. Honestly speaking, we all have certain parts in our body that we don't like. For me, I love gaining weight, but one thing about gaining weight that I don't like is my face. My face will look like puff puff. You know puff puff? Like, you know those? That's how my face is gonna look. You guys, I have a high cheekbone. So when I get fat, the fat goes here, and this one get even more higher, and then my eyes look like, my eyes is very tiny, and my face just looks somehow, and I don't really like it. When I have makeup on, I contour, I highlight, I don't really mind. But when I don't have makeup on, I just do not like it when I get fat and my face is just puffy and all that. So yeah, but MACA root does not give you a big butt. I wish it was, okay, but it doesn't. But you can definitely use this to increase your appetite. It does have a lot of health benefits, but first you have to make sure you talk to your doctor about it or do your own research about it before ever taking it. Do not rely on someone's opinion. Do not go and buy a big bottle like I did. Buy something small, give it a try and see how it works for you. So that's it. So for some of you guys who always send me DM, this is it. You take it 3 times a day, 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, 1 at night. After every meal, after breakfast, after lunch, after dinner, 3 times a day. Or if you feel like 3 times a day is too much, you can take it twice a day, breakfast and dinner. You can take that one as well. And if you're somebody who exercise, fine, go to the gym, because when you gain weight, depends on your body, sometimes the weight will go everywhere. I wish there was an exercise for your face, but there's no exercise for the face, so I have to live with mine like that. But yeah, this is it. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate you guys. I'm still going to finish mine. I stopped couple of weeks or days ago. I stopped, but now I am back taking it because there's nothing to do. We're in lockdown. We work at home. Everything we do is from home. We don't go to the gym. Of course, I do go outside, take a walk, just walk around, just do some walking. I don't jog, but I walk around, exercising, walking around. So yeah, so I do that a lot. So now I'm back to taking it, but I don't take it 3 times a day now. I only take it twice a day because I don't want to get fat. I don't want, when the quarantine is done, I'm looking like one puff puff. So I'm not taking it 3 times a day now. I'm just taking it twice a day, once in the morning, once in the night, after breakfast, after dinner. That is how I'm taking it. So I hope this video answered all your questions. And if you guys have any question, let me know in the comment box. If you guys want to try this particular brand, I also have a link on Amazon. You can check out my Amazon store and pick this one up from there. And I really like this brand. It's really nice. I love it. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. I'm going to start with the waist training, but that thing is hell. It's hell. So we stop it for now. Let the fats just come. I'm doing 1 or 2 stomach exercise at home. It's going pretty, so far so good. So let's just keep with the exercising, and waist trainer will come back to it when it's the time. For now, I can't keep myself. I can't come and keep myself here. I can't. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Team Fullest, peace out. Bye.